Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're checking out this power strip IPX6 waterproof 360 degree swivel cord, 3 AC outlets. It's PC plus ABS fireproof shelling, overload protection, so that is a must. In this day and age, you definitely want protection. And whoa, that's nice. Check that out, guys. I love how, I don't know if it's, no, that's plastic, but it looks like brushed steel. That is really nice. So you can mount it on a wall if you want. Plenty enough cable to run it far away from an outlet. On-off switch that is waterproofed. That is really nice. Nice flat design. Yeah, that's really nice. As you guys can see, I love surge protectors. We got 1, 2, 3, because I run so much equipment. So this is really nice. Let's go ahead and plug this in. I'm curious to see if there's any light on the on-off button. Oh yes, I love that. I love when surge protectors have lights that let you know that it's turned on. The ones that don't kind of frustrate me. Sadly, this one does not have a light. Well, it has a light, but it's like one of those really like pinpoint lights. I like these because if you leave it turned on and it gets dark, you can see this a lot easier than a pinpoint light. Overall, if you guys need a surge protector, this is really nice. It's grounded. You got the 3 prongs. Very nice. So guys, for a couple specs, for those who need to know the data, input AC 100 to 125 volts, 60 Hz. It's 15 amps maximum. So you can have up to 15 amps drawing at one time and up to 1875 watts. So 1875 watts can be drawn on this at one single time. So you could definitely have a lot of stuff plugged in here. Very nice, my friends.